how has the fintechs made an impact, and how are they progressing towards the financial inclusion?
Things we have experienced is our regulator has been very active, right? And they have provided us one of the best infrastructures in terms of UPI, and that has driven a lot of financial inclusion. There's a huge ecosystem in India with Aadhaar-based identification, with some of the credit bureaus coming in, and more importantly, with technologies like UPI and the government initiatives like Janadhan accounts, which has improved the access of basic banking within India. And what UPI has done is it has, with almost 700 million people with a smartphone in India, it has provided access to a lot of people who have been in the traditional payments ambit. And what fintechs in India have done is have taken advantage of this with this fantastic ecosystem, and the most sophisticated payment system in the world with UPI, and have built upon layers and layers of technology, which has improved access as a whole. And as Gopal said, a lot of innovation has happened in the payments world. Obviously, today within India, be it fintechs at large or established players, all have some sort of a UPI interface. UPI today accounts for 4 billion transactions a month, and it's growing, and it is the largest payment platform within India, outstripping both credit and debit cards. So it definitely has improved a lot of access. And fintechs like us, which are focused on credit, what we have done is we have taken an approach where, be it the state-sponsored infrastructure like Aadhaar or UPI, and have tried to build a credit layer on top of it. And we are the first ones to offer credit on UPI in India. And it is important when you're talking about financial inclusion to have products that are designed to help people on technologies that they're already familiar with, or places that they're already going to. So if you are going to your neighborhood kirana merchant and are trying to buy grocery, it is important that there is a payment mechanism that is easily accepted. So today we all know that whether it's a chai wala or a kirana store, everyone in India just scans and pays, or just sends money over UPI. So what we have taken is, now with that base, if we are able to add a credit layer, we just improve access to credit. And similarly, several other companies are solving for this. Digital is a huge impetus for fintech companies to do it. And all of them are doing with banking partnerships and banking relationships. And it's a very vibrant ecosystem to bring the next 500 million people within the ambit of financial services.